The art of seeking feedback in academic writing. Hello learners. Welcome to another session on revising techniques. Today, we'll be diving deep into an essential part of the writing process, seeking feedback from peers or instructors. Remember, nobody's writing is perfect on the first draft. It's through feedback and revision that we truly refine our work. Feedback is like a mirror for writers. It reflects what we might not see on our own. By seeking feedback, we open ourselves up to 1. Spotting errors or inconsistencies we might have missed. 2. Understanding a reader's perspective, which might differ from our own. 3. Gaining insights on the flow, clarity, and organization of our writing. Feedback is a tool, and like any tool, its effectiveness depends on how we use it. Before you go running off to the nearest person, there are a few strategies to keep in mind. 1. Be specific. Instead of asking, "Is this good?" try asking, "Do you think my argument in the third paragraph is clear?" 2. Choose wisely. Seek out peers or instructors who are familiar with the subject matter. Their feedback will likely be more pertinent and insightful. 3. Stay open-minded. Feedback is about the work, not you. Approach it with a growth mindset, eager to learn and improve. Receiving feedback is one thing. Using it effectively is another. 1. Review feedback in stages. Don't try to process everything at once. Take it step by step. 2. Ask for clarification. If something isn't clear, ask. It's better to understand the feedback fully than to make assumptions. 3. Prioritize. Not all feedback will be equally relevant. Decide what's most important to your piece and tackle that first. Being on the receiving end of feedback is valuable, but giving feedback can be equally enriching. It helps you. 1. Develop a critical eye. Reviewing someone else's work can improve your analytical skills. 2. Practice constructive criticism. Learning to give feedback in a helpful, non-confrontational way is an essential skill. 3. Engage in peer learning. You can gain insights from the work of your peers, understanding different perspectives and approaches. Remember, be kind, be precise, and be constructive when giving feedback. So there you have it, the art of seeking and giving feedback. It might be a little daunting initially, but remember, feedback is a pathway to growth. Embrace it, learn from it, and watch as your writing soars to new heights. Until next time, happy writing and revising.